Hello dear viewers of 𝗏𝗧𝗧. After a flood, water did not prevent this man from riding his bicycle to go about his occupations. This brave guy is trying to rescue this dog stuck in frozen water and tree branches.
Видите, это самое, но лед не может выбраться и все. Молодец, умница.
There we go.
Provoke Bob and you will see his magic finger.
This is Bob.
Okay, maybe he does know what it means. Lie down. Elka, can you lie down?
I think Bob's magic finger is getting popular. I have no idea of how 𝗀𝗀𝗘𝗏𝗏 to end up stuck in a place like this. To get him out of there was not easy, but everything went well.
Come on, honey. There she goes. Girl, come on.
Now he can resume his life as usual, but let's hope he will remain wise. Virtual reality games. Victorville in California on April 18, 2018 suffered an invasion of tumbleweeds that hit the city to the point where some residents were unable to leave their homes.